Hey guys, it's Eric here, Greve, Chrysler, and Van Wert. It's Thursday again, so that means Topic Thursday. One thing I wanted to talk about today is the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay on your cell phones. So these are apps that you can download on your phone to be able to be compatible with your car. So if your vehicle has a radio that has the connected services, this cord is just connected into my USB port here in the center console. I've got two of them that are available. So I just want to hook the other end into my phone, and so we'll see that on the radio screen, since I've already got the Android Auto app downloaded, this Android icon appears. So if you just click the icon, you will see that what you have available is basically just mirroring off your phone onto the radio screen. So if you wanted to access your Google Maps, say if your vehicle didn't have navigation, you could use this instead of using your phone and trying to look at your phone screen. It pulls it right up here on the radio screen. So you just type in your address. So this is my address. We'll select that. It's about 54 minutes away. So if we wanted to do the route, select the route, and boom, there it is. Now if you wanted to make a call with your mobile device, this shows a call list from everybody that you've recently called. You can pull up the keypad, dial the number that way. It's also got music apps. So if you have a music provider that you use, Pandora, Amazon Music, just tap the headphones again and it pulls those up. You have Google Play Music, LiveX Live. So a lot of features with the Android Auto. And then if you wanted to return to Uconnect, you just hit the last button there, return to Uconnect, and that'll bring you right back up to the radio screen. So if you guys wanted help on figuring this stuff out, see if your vehicle is compatible, you could always stop in and see us here, Van Wert at Greve Chrysler. And then maybe if your vehicle doesn't have it, we might be able to find you one that does, get you into something new, something nicer. Once again, my name's Eric, Greve Chrysler, Van Wert, Ohio. Thank you.